What's up, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm gonna go and teach you how you can go and make money from your house if you have a skill of graphic designing. Now what comes in graphic designing, you should have good knowledge of Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, CorelDRAW, this, that, and so on and so forth. But if you don't have any skill, there is one tool which you can use it to develop any graphics which you like. That tool is named as Canva. So I'm making a book, so I'm going to go and design a book from here. So this is how it looks right now. So I'm going to go and click on create design. You can go and find out like you want to make a poster, you want to make a presentation, you want to Instagram post, video, logo, Facebook post, infographics, card, brochure, business card, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube channel. Like the limit is there is no limit on it. So for example, this is my banner art, this is my logo, this is my thumbnail, all the thumbnails which I have. Another one is going to be my Udemy profile. In my Udemy profile, I have to go and create some thumbnail for my course. As you can see, this kind of a thumbnail is being used if you know how to use Photoshop. Another tool which I mostly use is dribble.com. You can go and upload your ideas, your photos, your branding, or whatever skill or art you have. You just have to, for example, I mostly use Illustrator. As you can see, Photoshop and Illustrator are there on my screen because I work on it. So I get most of the ideas from my website, from my mobile application, from Dribble. Another one, professional. You can also share this from your resume if you can go and do that for Dribble. Another is going to be Hands. You can go and share it over here as well. People are actually going to buy the designs from here. You don't have to go and promote much because this website is actually going to go and make your work in front of more of the audience. So it's basically people directly go and do that. Another thing which I mostly found out useful is going to be Pinterest. People actually go and buy it. So if there is any e-commerce, you can share your work. For example, if you have any product, you can make an e-commerce, and people on Pinterest is actually kind of a selling thing. People actually buy. As you can see, he's showing all of the watches. He has added what is the price and so on. He has make a short video on it. So people actually buy from Pinterest. You can also share the link on Facebook and so on. So this was 3 tool. Now when it comes to payment, you can go and upload design, upload AI file with it, upload design for Photoshop. You can add a Photoshop design on Dribble as well. But people don't know any skill. You have Canva. You can go and design anything without any skill, without any tool. Canva is free if you are an individual, if you are just limiting or something. So you can try that out. Like for example, that is free for individual or small team. It has limit, but most of the thing can be done in free one. So sell graphic design. You can just go and do that. After that, you will get all of some of them. Like Fiverr, I already recommended Fiverr. Like people actually go on Fiverr just to create some logos for getting some traffic, SEO, and so on. There's no limit on Fiverr. Another tool which I definitely like is one of my video is totally popular because of this website, DeviantArt. People are extremely talented in this website. You can just can't imagine like what kind of a talent they have. When I visit on this website, I feel useless because I'm not that talented. I cannot make that great artworks. But you can upload all the design, and if people purchase it, you will get some cash out of it. Just go and see like 99 design. Take your business online today. Just create a design like web page, logo, product packaging, product label, illustrator, book cover, app design, t-shirts. See more. Of course, like there's no limit to it. Okay, so now you can go and see designhill.com. Like it has actually given you one of the advice, like Design Hill is going to give you custom mugs, brochure. You can go and follow the things which you can go and find out. Like I'm not so great with graphics and I make website. I know how to make Android application, but the website which I use, I just showed you, just just explore like what kind of a design they have. Just go and look for the website. Just go and upload some of your content over there. If people some or the another way contact you, you can go and actually sell your design and ask for like what kind of a content do you want. Just go and talk to them, and definitely you will get some bucks in your pocket while sitting at home with having a skill. If not, learn it on Udemy. Just learn how to make graphic designing, learn how to make Photoshop, learn how to make Illustrator. If you don't have any money, just go and take a free course of how to make Photoshop. Learn some skill, and definitely one day you will have some skill that no one can beat, and it will actually make some of your life easier. Canva is a great tool. It just drag and drop. You don't have to do anything. It's an online tool. You don't need to have any Photoshop license. You don't have to take any Illustrator license. Canva is free, and you can go and create a lot of the things in the free version of Canva. So I actually recommend because it's free to use and you can create some great art out of it. So as this is actually used for job searching, most of the people do that. I make mobile application from Dribble. I got ideas of all kind of a mobile application from Dribble. So Dribble is my inspiration in making good content of my Android application. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and useful. I'll see you guys next time. Best of luck of making some money from your graphic designing skill using this website. I actually showed a lot of them. Just go and explore. You'll get lot and lot. There is no limit in graphic designing. You can get some e-commerce and get some money from e-commerce because people are actually continuously selling products because of coronavirus. People are moving to e-commerce. That brings sale to you. People will buy from you. See you guys next time.